Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to use this navigation map. The device is included a display and 4 knobs. The default setting will be navigation mode as you can see here. Starting with the display, what we have here is the land, green for the plant surface and white for snow, yellow for deserts. The airfield or other facility is in gray. The dark color represents a high terrain and the light color represents a low terrain. The map is also included 22 small islands that only exist on PC. I don't know if I missed any of them, but that's all I found. And the red area here and here is the fleets, including USS Tiny, USS Beast, and another World War II fleets at the north. And when you select a target, a flashing triangle for active target or a flashing circle for fixed target will be shown. The map will rotate when you turn, as well as the compass here. And the range is in the circle is calculated in both kilometers and nautical miles, but the whole thing is actually based on the metric system because the latitude and longitude is based on that. On the left we have the ground speed and heading. On the right we have the map wide and type selected. For the switches we have 4 switches, and the main switch is the map type. And we have a scale switch on the right. And the number here represents the left to right distance. For this one is 30 kilometers. And you can select up to 180, like that. And on the left we have the VOR destination selector and the ILS runway selector. We'll talk about that later. And for the mode, except for the normal one, the navigation mode, and we have the arc mode, so that you can see further at the front for cruising. And the next one will be plan mode. It's like the whole map of the world, and when you select the VOR or ILS, you can see the flashing destination and the runway here. Some of the runway is not available because the terrain is on the 3-degree glide slope, this one and this one. And you can see a position here as well. So when you switch, you can see other available destination or runway. It's named according to the international standard, like the magnetic heading of the runway. And let's go to VOR mode. VOR is something that guides you to a destination. Let's make an example. We need to go to Krakatoa, so you need to select KKB here. And you need to turn the aircraft until the arrow facing up and it's in the middle, like that. And follow that heading, you can go to the volcano base, Krakatoa. And you can have the distance here, so how far you are from the destination, and selected target here. Go to ILS mode. The ILS stands for Instrument Landing System. It's something that can guide you on a final in low visibility condition, including 2 components, a horizontal guidance for center line and a vertical guidance for 3-degree glide slope. So each state here represents 2 degrees. So if you want to fly a 5-degree glide slope, you need to make sure the indicator, just a second, you need to make sure the indicator is here. So if it's in the middle, that means you're on 3 degrees. To use the ILS, you have to select the runway first. Let's do it by 36, like this one. And then we start again on final. Oh. So you need to make sure the arrow is in the middle and facing up, and keep the purple indicator on the right in the middle, like that. See, I need to adjust to left a little bit. Oh. Gear down. Gear down. A little bit high. Okay. That's it. And you can do that on other runway as well. So you can see we also have the snow base and other runway. So I hope you enjoyed. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.